what's going on, everybody? It's Adam here from High Alpha RC. I'm here with Jake from Prop Washed RC. We're about a half hour north of LA up on Pacifico Mountain. We're gonna walk up to the summit and see if we can't rip a few packs. Stick around. And I am dumbfounded how much of a difference altitude makes. We're just up at over 7,000 feet at the summit of this mountain, and the quads just coast around the turns. You have to add so much power just to get through. Your punch out is so soft. I'm gonna blame at least 2 of the trees I hit on the altitude. It's just so hard to get used to. Let's throw up a couple more packs.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, we got some good flights in up on Mount Pacifico. Got to see some amazing views and hit about every tree up here, it feels like, but it was a good time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We'll have more content coming out shortly. Take it easy, everybody.